In this video, we're talking all about 1,000 subscribers and my Make9 for 2018. Let's get into it. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth from ElizabethMadeThis.com, and today I am here to thank you for subscribing to this channel. I just hit 1,000 subscribers, I think yesterday, a couple days ago. Anyway, I am so happy. I am so happy that I've reached this first milestone, and it's all thanks to you guys. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I am really looking forward to what comes next in my YouTube journey. Ooh, okay. So I thankfully can offer a nice giveaway too to thank you guys for subscribing, and I'm partnering with Stylish Fabric, who is one of the wonderful sponsors for the Day and Night Dress Challenge. So definitely go check out the sponsors for the Day and Night Dress Challenge. I will put all of that up there. So anyway, I'm Stylish Fabrics is being really generous in offering a $25 gift card, a life scarf, and if you watch the video about the sponsors, you'll know that Life Scarf is a charity that Stylish Fabric is a partner with that sells scarves and gives the proceeds back to the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles, which is really cool. So they're doing a life scarf, a $25 gift card to Stylish Fabric, a mermaid pillow, which is one of those cool sequin pillows that you can, move your hand over it and it changes color. And I just went on their website and they have lots of really cool colors, so that's a pretty cool gift. And also a sewing kit. So there's a nice little sewing basket that says Stylish Fabric, and it's got, nice little stuff to put your notions and your thread and all kinds of stuff like that. So Stylish Fabric is offering that for this giveaway, and stick around to the end to see how you can enter the giveaway. But for now, let's get into Make9. So I will see you in the next clip. So if you don't know about Make9, it's a little Instagram challenge where you pick 9 of your most favorite patterns and post them to Instagram and say, like, these are my goals for this year. So I thought, let's go over my 2018 Make9 picks. So because I won during a couple of weeks of any pattern month on the monthly stitch, I got several different patterns from Sew Over It, and so I put those on my 2018 Make9 because I think it'd be lovely to try them, and also I think it'd be a good challenge for me. I fall outside of the pattern range for Sew Over It. Their smallest size is too big for me, so I'm gonna have to grade down stuff, and that's why I've kind of avoided them in the past. There's a lot of indie pattern makers that do such a wonderful job making an extended range on both sides of the spectrum for people. This is one of the reasons why I absolutely dearly love JALLIE patterns. They have stuff from like girls like all the way up to like women's 22. So there's really something for everybody in their pattern range. And so over it, if you're listening to this video, please just make some for us petite ladies. That would be awesome. I'm used to having to grade down patterns when I do my work in Burda style, so it's not a big deal that I have to grade something down. It's just extra work, especially when I'm already dealing with a PDF that I'm assembling and so forth like that. Although I think I might try this whole like copy shop issue. Or some of the PDF places that will like mail you the patterns in the mail. That sounds pretty cool. So for Sew Over It, I'm going to try the Eve dress, which is a really pretty wrap dress, just really classic wrap dress style. Wrap dresses in the past have been my fitting nemesis, but again, I think when I attempted those, I was a pretty new sewer and I didn't really know how to fit my body, so I think I'm ready for the challenge of taking something on like that. And also the penny dress is just a nice little shirt dress. And the only thing about the penny dress that I'm not quite sure about is that it's got elastic in the waist, and that is typically not my favorite situation. So I might be altering that with like a drawstring or something like that, just to something to keep out the elastic. The raw feeling of that on the inside of the bodice, it just I'm kind of the princess and the pea with my elastic. So I'm gonna have to think about that one and kind of come up with a solution that I think I'm gonna really like. And then there's also the Lulu dress, which is kind of, it's a raglan sleeve dress, and it's just kind of loose and flowing. I think it would make an awesome nightgown, or I think it'd just be a nice like kick around the house kind of dress, or something that I'd want to wear when I'm driving my kids around. Just really nice, easy, casual dress. So that's great. Okay, and let's go on to jackets. So there's the Kemptown jacket. I've shown that in another video by PIER and Palace Patterns. It is a motorcycle jacket, and it's got these awesome seams, and inside it's got like bound seams. It's just a really beautiful jacket. So I'm really looking forward to that one. I think it'll be awesome. And there's the, what was my other? Oh yeah, the Lonetree jacket by ALLIE OLSON of indiesew.com. That is a great jacket for Colorado weather. It's kind of one of those make it in a lot of different sort of fabrics kind of thing. I bought this really cool polka dotted cotton that I think will be really cool. To me, like, that jacket has a lot of the elements that the Kelly Anorak by Closet Case Patterns has, but it has a hood that's on it, which is really, really awesome. Colorado is so windy, so I think it's great that, you know, ALLIE OLSON, she's like just up the road from me, and so I think she was really thinking about our climate that we have here, of like this super wind and all of that. So I'm looking forward to that jacket. I think it'll be a great just outdoorsy jacket, like something that I wear when I'm going around with my family, or when we have like soccer games and stuff like that outside. Yeah. Okay, another wrap dress, the clear wrap dress by Pattern Review. I picked this up right when they launched it, because I am determined that this is going to be the year of the wrap dress. So I think what's different between that one and the Eve, I think the Claire, the neckline's a little bit different. It's got a collar on it, and it's specifically for knit fabrics. I think the Eve you could go either way. I think it's meant to be for a woven fabric. And then there's this Talvikki sweater from Named Patterns, and that is really cool. Let me just say, like, I am so glad that there's sweater patterns out there that indie pattern companies have been putting out lately. I don't knit, I don't crochet, but I still want to be warm in the winter. So it's so nice to just be able to grab a sweatshirt knit or some sweater knit or something and make up a sweater in like an hour. You can't do that, you knitters out there. I no doubt that you make something that's like really, really beautiful and wonderful, but I don't want to. Knitting and crocheting is just something that I'm personally not super interested in. I appreciate other people's work. They do absolutely amazing things, but if I can sew it, I'm gonna sew it. So the Talvikki sweater has got this really high neckline, and it's got these neck darts that kind of radiate out, so it's gonna be like really nice and cozy. I don't like that it's kind of like boxy at the hip, so I will be taking that in at the hip to make it a little bit more fitted, because that is just something I don't particularly like, wearing oversized sweaters. I think they're just too overwhelming on my frame, and they're cold. I think all that extra air like running in on me is just, it's cold. And then okay, oh yeah, talking about jeans, the Otsu jeans from Papercut Patterns. I picked this up in the summer at the fabric store in Los Angeles, and it is a pattern that I've been meaning to get to and wanting to get to, and I just didn't get to it. But it's again one of those cool skinny leg jean patterns that's got these really cool seams. So I have fabric for it. It's coming. It is on the list for sure. That will get done. And then the last pattern that I have for my 2018 Make 9 is the Cassandra knit dress by Valentine and Stitch. I think she just came out for this, and I have something in mind that I'm not going to talk about today that is going to be really exciting for this particular dress, and I'm really looking forward to it. And it's going to be a cool pattern hack with a specific purpose for something gigantic that I have planned for not only for me but for our whole sewing community. So stick around and yeah, check it out. If you would like to enter this giveaway, subscribe to this channel, and in the comments below tell me what is the one thing about sewing that you wish you knew how to do. You wish you knew how to do better, you wish you knew how to do period. Just tell me what's the one thing that you're like, oh, I wish I knew how to do that. Tell me what the is. I want to know. Okay, and on Instagram also I'm gonna put up a post about this giveaway too. And so I'm at Elizabeth Made This on Instagram, just like I am here. And tell me the same thing. Like, what's the one thing that you wish you knew about sewing? If you want to say the same thing, that's fine. If you want to tell me, ooh, something different, that would be awesome too. But anyway, I will leave this giveaway open until February 1st, and then I will pick 4 winners. So I'll pick a winner for the $25 gift card, for the mermaid pillow, for the life scarf, and for the sewing kits. So you have 4 chances to win and 2 ways to enter. So go forth and do that. Thank you again for watching this channel and for being a part of Elizabeth Made This. I'm really just looking forward to sharing more about sewing and my sewing journey and how to make you guys just sew better and faster and more creatively here. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing! Thing that you're like, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.